YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A memory foam makeup sponge. Are diamonds a girl's best friend? Check it out. Alright guys, let's get started. So, a brand new makeup sponge from Stansout Beauty Company. I know, you're thinking, another beauty-like blender. Okay, we have the original beauty blender, which is still the OG of the market. Then we have a multiple amount of companies that have come out with different shapes and sizes, and they're all supposed to do something a little different, but in reality they all work the same. But there really hasn't been anything since then that has been like, wow, to the market. This is incredible. This is going to replace the beauty blender, the original beauty blender. And I was like, okay, so another company, we'll see how that works. And we had the clear silicone sponge that was supposed to be like, oh my goodness, this is going to be the best thing. It won't absorb the product and it'll apply your makeup more naturally, but no, it didn't work. I thought it was ridiculous. I didn't even do a YouTube video on it because I just didn't like the product. I threw it away. And of course I always go back to my original beauty blender. But this product caught my eye and I saw it on Instagram, and then I started watching a couple other videos and I was like, I'm impressed. This thing is pretty cool. I mean, who doesn't love a memory foam mattress and a diamond shape for that matter? So I thought, okay, I'm going to give this a try, but I'm going to do a first impression video. So I just opened the box. I haven't even opened the actual box. I just opened the actual mailing box, and I want to try it out on camera. So here we go. First it says, let's read the directions. It's a multifunctional blending tool designed to apply a streak-free airbrush finish to your complexion. Don't we all want that? So it does say that this is a product you'll want to dampen the first 3 to 5 times. But after that, water is optional. So that actually caught my attention because I travel a lot, and I saw that the owner of the CEO of this company designed this product for that reason, because she traveled a lot with her husband and she wasn't always available to dampen her beauty sponge. So she came up with this product. So I'm tempted. I'm just so excited to try this product. So I'm going to dampen it since this is my first time using it for the first 3 to 5 times. And it's supposed to, again, give you that streak-free finish. So here we go. I love new products. And I love diamond-shaped things. I mean, what girl doesn't love diamonds? All right, it's a beautiful box. Reminds me of like the Victoria's Secrets, the pink and white stripes. Okay, so here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. It's a diamond-shaped sponge. I don't know if you can even tell. I'll try to zoom in as much as I can when I'm editing. But yeah, this is really cool. So I'm going to squish it. Like what you do with like a memory foam pillow or something like that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Check that out. Okay, so it's quite a bit bigger to start off with than a beauty blender. So my only complaint with beauty blenders or just any kind of makeup sponge is that it takes forever to apply your makeup, because it's just a small little thing. Even though it expands, it's still, you know, it does take a lot longer than using a brush. But the benefits outweigh that, because the application of a beauty blender far surpasses any makeup brush application. It just really pounces the product into your skin and leaves that flawless, natural look. It just makes your makeup look so much more natural. It changed the market when the beauty blender came out. So I'm excited to see what this product can do. So let's dampen it. I did just get a bowl of water here, and I'm just going to dampen it. And I'm going to squeeze it out like I would do a normal beauty blender. Okay, so let's see here. Make sure get all that excess water out, because you just don't want anything to, I don't know. I don't want to change the consistency of my makeup. So it feels pretty damp. Dry my hands off a little. And yeah, let's see. It doesn't say that it has to dry, so I'm assuming it works just as good damp. It does say, pro tips, use the large rounded size for pressing and rolling the foundation into the large areas of your skin. So you would use this side right here for your foundation, and then use the corner tip obviously for applying your concealer, and then you can use that flat side to, I would use that side for setting your makeup. So we're going to try it all today. So I've already prepped and primed my face. I use my Hourglass primer, and I have been using this Clarins Beauty Flash Balm alongside my Hourglass. I use the Clarins first, and then I go in with the Hourglass and just kind of pat it in to the areas where I definitely want to diffuse the pores. So Hourglass primer is the only primer that really, really works for my skin type. I have very sensitive skin, and it just works for me. So I went with what works best because I don't know how this makeup is going to apply. So I just took my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk 5.5 foundation, and I put it in my little clear pan from Michaels. And I only did a little bit because I want to see how much does this product soak up, does it soak up, and how much do I really need? Maybe I won't need as much. So we'll try it out. We're going to use the big side. So we'll take the big side and we're going to tap it into there. Ooh, okay, so that's what it looks like. All right, guys, here we go. Here's the ultimate test. So let's see. All right. I'm so far liking it. I cannot see in that mirror, so we're going to take the big mirror. Okay. Wow. It distributes the product really fast, and that's what I like. I knew that would happen with this bigger sponge, so I'm excited for that. Usually I'd be sitting here with this beauty blender doing little sections at a time, but this product, here, let me put my hair back here. This product is already like, wow. Okay, I'm really, really liking this. Really liking this. I don't even have to, I mean, it says to like do that press and roll like that. Do the other side. Wow. I think I may have found a beauty sponge that actually is better than the Beauty Blender. Did I just say that? Did I just say that out loud? It's better than the Beauty Blender. This product is really good. And oh my goodness. And if you don't have to dampen it, I mean, that's just the true benefits of it. And I like that. Sometimes I feel like you have to use a brush on your neck to get a better application. But I don't know, with this product, I don't think you have to. So, I mean, I love you, Hourglass brush, but I don't really need you for my neck anymore. I've got this new diamond-shaped sponge. Wow. Look at that. Look at how quick that was. That was so easy. I'm trying to be really cautious because I have eyelash extensions right now. I'm trying them out, and it's very difficult sometimes when you're applying your makeup. So not too much product got soaked into the sponge, which is good. It lays on top of the sponge more than the Beauty Blender that actually soaks it. All of the big makeup sponges usually do that. But yeah, wow. It applied that foundation really nice. And I don't feel like I had to use as much foundation. So, I mean, it's a win-win. It applies quickly. I don't have to use that much product. And I don't have to dampen it. So, I mean, the first few times it says to dampen it, but after that I don't have to do that. So why wouldn't I use this product? This is amazing. Why wouldn't anyone use this product? Go Stansout Beauty. I am impressed. This is a neat, innovative design, invention, and I am sold. I am sold. I would even get another one as a backup because you never know when small companies come out, you know, and these start getting more attention, they could sell out really fast. So go to their website today and order one. I mean, if you need a new beauty sponge, you're going to pay the same amount for a beauty blender, so I would go with this one. I really would, guys. This is the area that you have to work with compared to that area. Even if this was dampened and expanded, this is still a lot easier, a lot faster, and it doesn't soak up the product, and you don't have to dampen it every single time. I mean, there are so many wins to this product over the original Beauty Blender, which I never ever thought I would say. So here we go. That's how it applied my foundation. Let's go in with the concealer now. Let's try that out. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Multi-Purpose Concealer that I have been loving. And I actually changed, check out my other video that I did on the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I was using the golden nude, and I liked it for a more natural look, but it just didn't give me that brightening that I like. So I went to light beige instead. So that's what I'm going to use. So let's try it out with the concealer now. Here we go. So I'm going to do my normal concealer. I think if you remember from my other videos, if you watched that video, I don't go all the way up anymore because I don't want to waste the product, and you don't need to because you're going to blend it out. And it's going to blend out that way. So I already discussed that in my other video. You can check that out. So it says to go in with the pointy side. So let's try this. I'm going to just kind of squish it a little so I can get in there. And let's just see how it works. So here we go. Here we go. It's working. Wow, guys, this is pretty phenomenal. Pretty phenomenal, I must say. Look at that. Woo! I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I even might, I don't know, I might go in with the other corner. I'm trying to figure out how I want to grip it. You have to play with it. You know, it's always when you're trying, I mean, this is a first impression video, so I've never used this product. So it's one of these things where you just want to find what works best for you. But, wow. Yes, that's pretty amazing. I'm going to try going with this corner and just see. I think for me it might be a little bit easier. So let's go in on the other side. I just want to see what, I think I like this side better. I'm not going to discredit the Beauty Blender because it does work very good, but the benefits of this product is that you don't have to dampen it, and for foundation it has a much wider space, which is going to be extremely beneficial to you when you're in a hurry. Okay guys, look at the way this applied that concealer. Very easy, very flawless, very smooth, no creasing. I'm impressed. So let's try it with the setting powder now, because we all know that, you know, we want a sponge that we can use it for multiple reasons. So you always need to set your concealer. So I'm going to go in with my normal baking of my Laura Mercier, and we're going to try this out. I'm going to go in there like I normally would, and I'm just going to kind of set it on there. Oh, I really like this. I really like this. I can tell you right now, because sometimes the Beauty Blender, it actually, like, I could see some like spots and stuff like that, or it like breaks up, and oh my goodness. Sometimes I do have to go in with a brush because I get so frustrated with the Beauty Blender. Whoa, yes, I'm liking it. Oh, this is a game changer, guys. This is brilliant. This is brilliant. I know I look crazy right now. Okay, let's dust off. I'm not going to actually sit here and bake it, but I'm telling you guys, this is, whoa, there's no breaking up. This is my huge issue with the Beauty Blender sometimes. If it's too damp still, or I don't know, just something, it just changes the consistency when I bake sometimes. And it's not all the time, but I notice it sometimes. And then I'll have to like pretty much kind of start over, and it's so frustrating. And then I'm like, I have these like little areas where it breaks up and it looks funky, and I get so irritated. This applied like magic, and I'm just so impressed right now. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to just take my It Cosmetics brush and just kind of dust off that baking. Wow. So I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury and just kind of blend everything out with the brush. Okay, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette that I would normally use, and I'm just going to try this out here. I like to use this to brighten. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, Stansout Beauty. Yes. It did not break up, and that is important to me. So, whoa. Very, very, very impressed. Guys, look at this. I mean, it applied beautifully. I think that my favorite part is the way it sets. I mean, I have not been able to find one beauty sponge on the market that I believe set my makeup the way I wanted it to, where there was no breaking up, where there was no inconsistency once I set it. And this just, you saw it on camera, it was just like, whoa. I even did it with my Shade and Light palette, which sometimes I even have issues with my beauty sponge doing it that way, and sometimes the brush just doesn't work out that great. So I am just like, I'm sold on that alone, and the fact that it applied my foundation within minutes. I mean, seriously, I cannot believe they finally came out with something that was different than the Beauty Blender, and actually worked and worked better, which I never thought I'd say. All right, so let's figure out how to clean this. So I looked up on the website because I want to know, like, obviously it's a white sponge and you kind of want it to look pretty and you want to avoid bacteria and all that stuff. So I looked up on the website and it says, with warm water and a mild bar of soap, gently work the sponge into a lather. Do not twist or pinch to avoid like snagging or tearing. Just the normal, like you probably would at the Beauty Blender. Rinse and squeeze out excess water. Repeat steps if needed until water runs clear. And then it says to let air dry. Can be used immediately after cleaning. To extend the life of your sponge, clean it on a regular basis, like you would a Beauty Blender, and replace it every 6 months as needed. So it's the normal. But yeah, I mean, other than that, on the website it will share that with you. But that was all I really wanted to talk about, and I really wanted to show you guys my first impression, my true, honest opinion, what I felt about this product, and I am so impressed. I can't wait to take her with me. And she's diamond shape, you know. Every girl loves diamonds. So let me finish up my makeup, and I'll show you the after. Okay, so I finished applying my makeup, and guys, this is brilliant. I mean, look at how flawless it turned out. This is a game changer for me, and I cannot believe I'm going to say it, but I'm going to have to put this guy away because Stansout Beauty just really came through and said, I'm going to bring something. I'm going to bring something innovative, and I'm going to bring something that's different, and it's going to work, and it did. It worked beautifully. I mean, the way it applies and the amount of time it takes, the selling point being that you don't have to go and dampen it every single time, which even sheds more time. I mean, time is precious, time is money, so you don't want to have to be sitting there for 20 minutes trying to blend out your makeup when you have a beauty sponge that can do it in minutes. And the way it applied the concealer was beautifully, and the selling point for me was this sets my setting powder on my concealer seamlessly. I just have not been able to find a beauty sponge to do that. Personally, it just never really works out for me. I don't know why, but I have not been able to find a beauty sponge that I can sit there and every single time the consistency say, oh, this is beautiful. This was 1 second, dipped it in my Laura Mercier or my Shade and Light Kat Von D palette, and it was like, bam, it was beautiful. I'm just impressed. I'm so, so thankful to this company that they actually came out with something different. So thank you so much for watching. Please go order yourself a beauty sponge. I will attach all the links on the bottom. Check out their website, check out their Instagram page at Stansout Beauty, and thank you again for watching my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Set your notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye!